What if your entire experience of the world, what you see, hear, feel, and even think, is not reality itself, but your brain's best guess of it? In Being You, neuroscientist Anil Seth explores one of the most profound mysteries in science: consciousness. And he makes a bold claim: it's not that we perceive the world as it is, but that our brains create a version of it, moment by moment, through something he calls controlled hallucination. This might sound strange, but it's deeply grounded in neuroscience. Our brains are prediction machines. They don't passively receive information from the senses. They actively generate predictions about what's out there, and then update those predictions based on incoming signals. What you see isn't just light hitting your retina. It's your brain interpreting that light in a way that makes sense to you, based on your past experiences. The world you experience is not just out there, it's created from within. Even more surprisingly, Seth argues that your self, your inner sense of being you, is also a kind of prediction. Your brain constructs your identity from signals inside your body: your heartbeat, your breathing, your hunger. This is called interoception, and it shapes how you feel emotionally and physically. In other words, you are not a little mind trapped inside a body. You are your body. Your consciousness emerges not just from your brain, but from how your brain keeps your body alive. Seth breaks down the idea of the self into layers: the bodily self, your feeling of inhabiting a body; the volitional self, your sense of control; and the narrative self, your life story. These layers can change, disappear, or even be hacked by psychedelics, brain injury, or mental illness, revealing just how flexible and fragile our sense of self really is. But this book isn't just theory, it's deeply human. Seth shares stories of patients who've lost their sense of self and of scientists exploring the edge of consciousness with technology and meditation. He also raises ethical questions. If we understand consciousness better, how should we treat animals, AI, or even each other? What responsibilities come with this knowledge? Ultimately, Being You is not about diminishing the mystery of consciousness. It's about illuminating it. Understanding how we experience the world can make us more compassionate, curious, and humble. It reminds us that while we each live inside our own controlled hallucination, we're all trying to make sense of the same world. And that shared effort of making meaning of being alive is what makes Being You so extraordinary.